now, or do you want it in?
Just, yeah, that's fine actually.
Stay there. You just better do this today.
Turn your head the other way, Thistle.
It's not helpful. You ain't going to do it today.
Well, just leave him for a sec. Stay there, Thistle. Okie dokes, if you want to girth him up.
The other thing doing is swishing that tail. That's which I wasn't doing up to that point.
Well, I think that's enough to show her.